Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to erase your iPhone. So the first thing that we're going to do, if you want to fully reset your iPhone, if you want to erase everything, what you're gonna do is go to Settings, and then you're going to scroll down to General, tap on General, and scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. So here you have a few options, so reset or erase all content and settings. So reset means that you can reset just like certain parts of your phone, so maybe all settings, network settings, keyboard dictionary, blah blah blah, whatever is on the screen. And then there's also erase all content and settings. So if you press on that, just erase your phone fully and restore it to as if you just bought it, so restore it to its initial state. So if you press continue, it's going to guide you through the setup. If you press this button, the erasing will start, and it's going to ask you for your password, and it's just going to start erasing, and that might take some time, and your phone will be fully erased, like the software will be just base iPhone. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.